In this video, we'll show you how to change the sway bar end links on your Chevy Silverado. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Chevy Silverado safely. Turn the disc outwards. This will facilitate the following steps. You can now see your truck's sway bar end link. The end link connects the sway bar to the lower control arms to keep the wheels firmly on the ground at all times. The components to be removed are very often seized up, so don't hesitate to brush and to use penetrating oil to make removal easier. Using a 14mm wrench, hold the end link upper retaining nut. Then unscrew the bolt using a ratchet and a 14mm socket. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Remove the upper nut, the washer, and the bushing. Then remove the link. Extract the spacer to be able to remove the remaining bushings. Using a wire brush, brush the sway bar end link area to facilitate installation of the new part. Then apply silicone grease to the parts that will be in contact with the end link bushings. You can order the sway bar end link used in the video on CarParts.com through the link in the description. Take the new link. Apply silicone grease to facilitate the installation. Install it in the lower control arm. Install the bushing and washer. Then install the spacer. Install the second washer and bushing. Then, using a crowbar, lever the sway bar so that the end link passes through it. Install the upper bushing and washer. Next, screw back on the nut until it's tight. Finish off tightening the nut with the torque wrench, blocking the rotation of the end link with a ratchet and a 14mm socket. Then, you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put the car back on the ground and block the wheels properly. Operation complete.